Hello friends, just today I like to discuss about something about a Jupyter lab. Just I am using Google Colab, so this is a cloud platform like similar to the Jupyter lab environment consolidates. So there are many advantages of the notebook environment and strength of the traditional IDE. So let's see the Jupyter notebook. So you can easily, it has a file so many, so you can locate in a drives, open in a playgrounds mode, new notebooks you can create, open a notebooks already you have done work, uploaded a notebooks, rename, move to trash, save a copy in a drive, save a copy as a GitHub guest, very important. So and save a copy in a GitHub, save and save in a pin revisions history downloaded and these things. So let's see the download. You can IPYNB and Py means Python format. Another you can also, this is a editor. So select all the cells and cut a cell selections, copy cells or selections, paste, delete selected, find and replace, find a next, find a previous, notebook settings, okay, and clear outputs. View the table contents, you can view the notebook information, executed code, comment, collapse solutions, okay. So these are already have been given. Code cells, text cells and section header cells, scratch code cells and code snapshot. So all the most of the things has been given here, so we can easily work. And another is the most important thing, the comment is here. And third is, look here, the connect has been given. Now you can also open the settings, and other is also you can use a GPU and TPU. So connect the hosted runtimes, connect the local, view resources, manage sessions, okay. So you have so many things, you can look here. So I hope these are the basic about a Jupyter notebook. But there is the most important environment also, look here. So look here, there are two things, one is the plus code and plus text. So there are cell types, means you can say here, one is the code cell types, another is markdown cell types. So the main content of the notebook like a bar and toolbar, so it is organized input and output cells. So the cell can be several types, and selected cell can be changed using the cell types and drop down the menu. But code, look here the code, and other alternative way we can write here the code. So code cell can contain an arbitrary amount of multi-line Python codes. So pressing a shift enter, and you can create a code here. Suppose here is this one, and shift enter. So look here, so you can easily look like this one, okay. Another thing, just Python code and pressing a shift enter and send the code in the cells and to the corner process. And other way you can also look like a markdown, means the content of the markdown cells, and it contain a markdown plain text, look like, just I am going to write here, look here the text, and you can also here the text. So markdown, so markdown means which interpreted using the markdown language and HTML. So a markdown cells can also contain a latex formatted equations, and which are rendered in the notebook using like a JavaScript based and latex engines, math jacks. So first look here. Here TT means toggle headings. So the heading cells can be used to structure a notebook into a section. Another you can just look at bold. So raw the text cells and display without any processing. So second is the using the menu bar and toolbar cells and added and remove, move up and down, cut and paste and so on. And there are so many shortcuts has been also given. So let's see, just if you write here B, so keyword shortcut B means create a new cell. So look here, here I have written and I am going to create a B right here. So something A means create a new cells above currently selected cells, and B means look like and D means delete the currently selected cell, and 1 to 6 means heading a cells of a level 1 to 6. X means cut currently selected cells. C means copy currently selected cell. So these are the some commands it has been given. Now another most thing, just if the functions are also mapped to a keyword shortcuts in and convenient and time saving. So when working with a Jupyter notebook, the notebook uses the two modes, input interfaces and edit mode and command mode. So the edit mode can be entered by clicking a cell by pressing an enter key on the keyboard, and when a cell is in a focus, so one in the edit mode and content of the input cells can be edited. Leaving the cells mode is done by pressing ESC key and by using a shift enter to the execute a cell, shift enter. And when the command mode, the up and down arrow can use to move the focus between the cells, and the number of keyboard shortcuts are mapped to the basic cells. Manipulating actions and are available through the toolbars and menu bars. So notebook shortcuts means command mode, and most of the time the keyboard shortcuts means you can use a shift enter, run the cells, escape, exit edit mode, enter editor mode, down I think already aware. H means display a help window. Okay, so S means save the notebooks, this one. So notebook cells is being executed, and the input number is like a represent as a asterisk, like a asterisk means just this one, and one star here, this one asterisk. And another is, and indicate the upper right corners, the page signals that the IPython corners is a very busy and says interpret like a corner interpretations. Next, the markdown cells also look like, if you want to write here, this one is the markdown, so double click here, and if you want to like italic, so look here, this one has been represented. If you want to the bold, if you want to write here bold, so let's see, it will look like a bold text. And if you write here like a text, so you can also like there bold text. Okay, fixed width, the you want to the change here, fixed width text. URL, so look here, you can represent here the URL types of this. and another is the left and right, that's the strike throw with this one, yeah, STP and this one. Another is new paragraphs. If you want to look at this one is like a image and something you can post at something, okay, so don't need this. Another is just new paragraphs, you can create indentations has been given here, justify look like indentations, and another you can write here some list items, and third you can need to put here some bullets and stars, and next is the add the horizontal rules. So if you want to do like a horizontal rules, and another you can the latex if you want to write here, right, latex terms, okay. So these are the very basics, and we can use and create a tables also just here. So you can easily create a table and more. So heading, horizontal lines, block, quotes, unordered list, ordered list, image, inline latex, okay, so all you can easily understand. So I hope you can easily understand so how to use Jupyter notebooks. So thank you.